Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Motorola Moto G9 Play for a senior person. And to do this, first let's open a settings. Here we can look for a simple or senior mode. Sometimes those devices include such thing. And nope, there's no simple mode. Now we need to change all of the settings manually. So first I would go for accessibility. It should be right here at the bottom. Then there's the font size. You can adjust the size of the text on your device. I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Next is a display size, which changes icons, buttons, and also the text size. And let's make it as big as possible as well. Next thing is magnification. Here, if you activate it, you should get this. Or actually, okay, there's no accessibility button, which means we need to use our fingers to zoom in or out. Now we can use zoom in function by drag two fingers to move around the screen, tap the screen to so this feature, I'm not sure if it does work, because as you can see on the tutorial, we need to hold our two fingers and I guess zoom in, but okay, now I get it. So click on the options right here and change to hold volume up keys. It will be much easier. So now we just need to hold volume keys together to activate this zoom in mode. Okay, this feature doesn't work, sorry. Let's just move on, because as you can see, nothing works here. You can try if you want. If it works for you, let me know down in the comments. Next is remove animations. I would suggest to enable it, because when it's enabled, it removes animations, which will reduce motion sickness when using your device. And that would be all of the settings I would actually recommend to do. You can also switch your system navigation here to 3 buttons, which is much easier to navigate your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.